Hi, we're Brock and Betty.
And today we're going to be making a sweet potato, coconut and lentil dal.
Well, we're so excited about this. We've wanted to make this dish for a while, haven't we? Mainly because it's such a simple and perfect dish for those chilly autumn evenings. So heat a pan on a medium heat with a scoop of coconut oil.
Then add in the minced garlic, chopped onion, grated ginger and chopped tomatoes. Then add in the sweet potatoes and the carrots into the pan with a teaspoon of salt. And then add the cumin, the curry powder and the paprika and then stir it all together.
Add the lentils and the coconut milk and then add the MAHI sauce.
Bring the mixture to the boil and then reduce to a simmer and then leave to cook uncovered for about an hour until it goes really thick and creamy. So it's great for batch cooking, it's easy to freeze and it's full of simple, low-cost ingredients, most of them you've probably already got in your cupboard, and the most important thing is it's super yummy.